Hey there, hope you're having a good day. I ended up not going up on the mesa with Mike and Cheyenne. They let them meet their neighbors and talk to them for a while. I did, however, run into this.
Consequences of domestic vaccines like Sinovac continues to show up.
Oh, keep in mind, this is just China. Ain't got nothing to do with the U.S. mRNA. Just the Chinese mRNA.
Recently, China's influenza outbreak has been raging, with hospitals overflowing and many critically ill patients dying. Some people even say you have to wait in line at the crematorium. Many citizens, including medical staff, believe that what the authorities now call H1n1 is actually a variant of the COVID-19 virus. They say the high number of deaths.
Yeah, that's what I wanted you to hear. The bird flu is actually a variant of the COVID-19 virus. Anyway, thought that was exciting. Let's see what else is going on here today in this world. Oh, wow, look, right there on the west coast, we got a clockwise rotation, sustained storm in the fucking northern hemisphere. I don't know what to say. That shouldn't be there. It looks like two big ones fucking hooped up together. That's pretty new. There's a hurricane going on over here by Greenland and taking up the... there ain't no clockwise rotations there, are there? Oh, a whole bunch. Anyway, and we got that going on. Let's see here. Oh, yeah. This wall's a little bit crunchy. Your Schumann's probably spiking. You got an awful lot of Cherenkov radiation. Cherenkov radiation is blue. That's not smog. That's not a smog color. It's blue. Your smog is blue every day because of this. It's a high charge buildup. Your government's lying to you. I'm doing my best to make sure you live through this fucking next couple months. But I don't know. It depends on how fucking close you can pay attention, I guess. I'm not holding much faith in you. Looky here. Let me show you a couple pictures. Yeah, that was a cute little girlfriend I had. She's crazy as fuck, though. Yeah, that ain't the picture I wanted to show you. A couple questions to ask you. Ooh, goosebumps. Where are we at? Here we go. This is a good spot. You ever seen that guy? His name's Ra. He got a staff in his hand. Let me show you a little something about him. Alright? This right there is your Iswas. There's a CME behind the earth. Spat out. See the dingly cobra? See the fucking ball on top of that cap? On top of the eye right there? Do you see it? Looks like someone else saw that exact fucking cap. Huh. Do you see the staff? That's a planet. Here's a funny thing. See them 4 holes in that big diamond? That's 4 planets larger than Jupiter. See that little diamond in front? That's our sun. This is an ultraviolet sensor array in a fucking camera made to study the auroras. Here's your midnight shot. Notice it is at 11:59. You got your short end and a long end of a V-neck looking freaking ultraviolet magnetosphere coming up in that. You see that? You see the long end, short end of his V-neck? And that ultraviolet blue spectrum sun standing right there? Yeah. That there ain't no ball game. That's a blue sun, red sun, our sun with Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto hanging off of the middle sun. And there's 4 holes in Horus's box. Right there's your 1700. Right there's your 1748 hertz with the human biological field. I had to look that up one day. You might want to go to my older videos and find out what that has to do with you and your magnet that you emit, medically speaking. I think that's all we got for you today. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. Damn it. Totally forgot to mention. Boop. Oh yeah. Thanks, fucking Elon. We got the NOAA weather people done got fired, and now these guys are in a panic. Imagine that. The world, your world is burning. Do you see that? It's spreading. It's wintertime. It ain't motherfucking fire season in the northern hemisphere. Our fucking globe is on fire, people. Did you see that shit about Japan? They having a hard time over there. Their high rises are burning down. I suggest, if you haven't yet, get to my older videos and work your way back to the new ones. I got some on my community page, but I mean, seriously, I don't know. That might be too easy for you. You'd have a hard time finding my videos. They're titled Catfish's Corner. Yeah, the whole world's on fire except for the people that are in summer. It's because you got an ultraviolet sun pulling on your fucking top. How can I tell? Well, I'm not stupid. That's how I can tell. You got a polar vortex working it. Right there, you see that? The polar vortex, clockwise rotation over the U.S. Not belonging there. That's an outside source magnet. Pulled us onto our side, started tilting your compass and making fucking Ben Davidson talk about some kind of polar drift. Your axis shifted. You're on your side. Your moon's doing a cartwheel. That's something I can't make up. That's something you should go out and look at. If you haven't yet, your moon will rise wax and set wane. It will rise like a grin and set like a frown. It's doing a 180-degree roll from rise to set. We set the calendar itself for the moon rise and wax and set and wax. One side lit the entire goddamn night. Thank you very much. Have a good night.